Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepared my one pan toast. It's so easy and it's good for breakfast. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe. Okay guys, here is the result of it, and as you can see it looks so beautiful and also delicious. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't fail to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.